Hi. I'm here to share with you some info on carpet cleaning after vacuuming in Rancho Mirage car. How to vacuum carpeting before you clean carpets. Carpet cleaning after vacuuming in Rancho Mirage car. Black to white carpet cleaning in Rancho Mirage car. Start by setting the vacuum cleaner to the right height. If using the vacuum at too low of a height, the carpeting can become damaged and so can the roller brush and the drive belt on the vacuum. Dirt in the carpet affects the quality of the carpet by cutting into the carpet fibers. Imagine 1,000 plus tiny little knives cutting into the carpet and you get the picture. It makes tiny nicks in the carpeting and tugs at the fibers, causing them to break and wear out sooner. The vacuum cleaner bag is full of parts of your carpeting. Over the course of time, the grinding of the dirt will wear the fibers out in the high traffic areas. It will mat the carpeting down and make it less stain resistant. Following these tips will help to reduce the wear and tear on the carpeting. Vacuum frequently in order to protect the carpeting from dirt and other debris. Go over entrance and high traffic areas several extra times and at least twice per week. Oils will attract more dirt. Frequent vacuuming will help to lower the soil buildup on the carpeting. Use a clean bag or a filtered bag on the vacuum. Do not rush the vacuuming job. Go over the carpeting slowly so that the dirt will come out. Use at least one quick pass over low traffic areas and 2 slow passes over high traffic areas. Use walk mats whenever possible to help reduce the dirt on the carpet. Use a coarse textured mat at the door so that people can wipe their feet. Carpet cleaning after vacuuming in Rancho Mirage car. Contact Black to White Carpet Cleaning for more information at 7606738733. Thanks for watching. Please click the link in description for more information.